Hello everyone, Hourglass Eyes here with your daily dose of flipping. Got the select replicant here, and today we're going to do a little bit of a tutorial. So the tutorial I'm going to do is of that right there. It's just a little kind of cool opening I like to do. It's not very hard, so all you beginners should be able to do this and look real flashy. So really the prerequisites are just knowing how to do a fan. It helps if you can fan in both directions like that. Okay. And then just sort of like this maneuver helps. Okay. Not a hard maneuver. I'll break it down a little bit more though. So first things first, you're gonna open the knife with a fan. And then you're going to grip it with your fingers and just fan it back the other way. So we got this. So it's going to the right. Let's see. It's going to the left and then to the right. Okay. So we got that. Now you're going to position your fingers like so. So you're going to want to get your fingers in there so you can ricochet it under. And now like this, you're going to want to hold it like a pencil. You're going to bring your middle finger in. You're going to flip it around. You're going to bring your ring finger in. And you're going to flip it around. So when you're like this, boop, 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 and it brings it up. Okay? So try practicing just getting to here, and then practice doing that. Okay, so we got that. And that doesn't have to be the end of the combo, because you can and then do some chaplains right from there. But that's just like a neat little opening I like to do. There you go. Do it a couple more times for you. Like that. Whoops. Almost lost it there, but it's okay. Give a little taste. You can do a lot with that. Basically anytime you have the knife in that ice pick grip, you can do that maneuver to get it back to standard. So it's a neat little maneuver at the end to know how to do. Alright, so there you go. And as always, I want you guys to have a good day. Peace out.